All right, folks, let's talk workouts. We all know consistency is key, right? You got to put in the work. But here's the thing, doing the same routine over and over again, that's a recipe for boredom and plateaus. Your body is a machine, and like any machine, it adapts. To keep seeing results, you got to keep it guessing. Think about it. You wouldn't eat the same meal every day, would you? Your body needs a variety of nutrients to thrive. Same goes for your workouts. Different exercises, different intensities, different challenges. That's how you shock your muscles into growth and keep your mind engaged. Remember, this isn't just about aesthetics, folks. It's about pushing your limits, feeling good, and becoming the best version of yourself. So, ditch the monotony, embrace the change, and let's unlock your true fitness potential. Let's dive deeper into why shaking things up is crucial. When you do the same workout repeatedly, your body becomes efficient. You burn fewer calories, your muscles stop growing as fast, and you hit a plateau. It's like your body's saying, all right, I figured this out, time to coast. But we don't want to coast, do we? We want to keep progressing, keep seeing results, keep feeling that fire. That's where variation comes in. By changing your exercises, intensity, or even just the order you do things in, you confuse your muscles and force them to adapt. This leads to increased strength, endurance, and overall fitness. Plus, let's be real, sticking to the same routine gets boring, and boredom is the enemy of consistency. By adding variety, you keep your workouts fresh and exciting, which makes you more likely to stick with them in the long run. Now, when we talk about variety, we're talking about three main areas: strength training, cardio, and flexibility. Each one plays a crucial role in a well-rounded fitness routine, and each one benefits from regular adjustments. Strength training is all about building muscle and strength. Think lifting weights, body weight exercises, resistance bands, anything that challenges your muscles to work harder. Cardio, on the other hand, focuses on your heart and lungs. Running, swimming, biking, dancing, anything that gets your heart rate up and improves your cardiovascular health. And then there's flexibility, which is all about improving your range of motion and preventing injuries. Stretching, yoga, Pilates, anything that helps you move more freely and comfortably. The key is to find a balance between these three elements and to constantly challenge yourself within each area. Don't be afraid to try new exercises, experiment with different intensities, and explore different training styles. Let's break down each workout type a bit further, starting with strength training. Now, a lot of people get stuck in a rut with their strength training. Same exercises, same weight, same number of reps, week after week. No wonder they're not seeing results. Remember, folks, your muscles adapt. To keep them growing, you gotta keep them guessing. That means progressively overloading them. Increase the weight, increase the reps, decrease the rest time, change the exercise. There are endless ways to make your strength training more challenging. Another key aspect of strength training is targeting different muscle groups. Don't just focus on your mirror muscles, you know, the ones you can see in the mirror. Make sure you're working your entire body, legs, back, chest, shoulders, arms, core, everything. This will help you build a balanced physique, prevent injuries, and improve your overall athleticism. Section 5. Cardio craze, find your rhythm. Now let's talk cardio. A lot of people think cardio is just about running for as long or as fast as you can, but there's a lot more to it than that. Interval training, high-height, steady-state cardio, low-intensity, steady-state cardio. There are so many different ways to get your heart rate up and burn calories. The key is to find what works for you and to mix it up. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of cardio, different intensities, and different durations. And don't underestimate the power of active recovery. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your body is to take a break from the high-intensity stuff and go for a walk, do some light swimming, or hop on the elliptical for a gentle workout. Remember, cardio isn't just about burning calories. It's about improving your cardiovascular health, boosting your mood, and increasing your energy levels. So, find your rhythm, get your heart pumping, and enjoy the ride. Section 6. Flexibility, don't forget to stretch. Last but not least, let's talk flexibility. Now I know stretching isn't exactly the most exciting part of a workout, but trust me, it's important. Regular stretching can improve your range of motion, prevent injuries, reduce muscle soreness, and even improve your posture. And just like with strength training and cardio, there are countless ways to stretch. You can do static stretches, where you hold a position for an extended period of time. You can do dynamic stretches, where you move your body through a range of motion. You can even try things like yoga or Pilates, which incorporate stretching and strengthening exercises into a flowing sequence. The key is to find what works for you and to make stretching a regular part of your routine. Whether you stretch before your workouts, after your workouts, or on your rest days, just make sure you're doing it consistently. Your body will thank you for it. Section 7. Adjusting your routine. Listen to your body. Now, you might be thinking, this is all great, Joe, but how do I know when it's time to switch things up? Well, the answer is simple. Listen to your body. Your body is incredibly intelligent and will tell you when it's time for a change. If you're not seeing the results you want, if you're bored with your workouts, if you're feeling burnt out, if you're constantly sore, or if you're starting to get injured, those are all signs that it's time to adjust your routine. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to fitness. What works for one person might not work for another. The key is to find what works for you and to be willing to adapt and adjust as needed. Time for a change. Let's get practical. Evaluate and adjust your workout routine. Assess your current routine. Are you happy with the results? Are you feeling challenged? Identify areas for improvement. Are you neglecting any muscle groups? Set realistic goals. Build muscle, lose weight, or improve endurance. Choose new exercises. Adjust your intensity. Listen to your body. If you're feeling good, keep it up. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Be patient, consistent, and have fun. Section 9. Motivation Station. Stay on track. Now let's talk about motivation. Staying motivated can be tough, especially when you're trying to make changes to your routine. But don't worry, I got you covered. Here are a few tips to help you stay on track. 1. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to work out with can make all the difference. You can motivate each other, hold each other accountable, and make the whole experience more enjoyable. 2. Set realistic goals. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up. 3. Track your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be a great motivator. Keep a workout journal, track your progress on an app, or simply take progress photos. 4. Reward yourself. When you reach a goal, no matter how small, reward yourself. It doesn't have to be anything major. A new workout outfit, a massage, or even just a cheat meal can be enough to keep you motivated. 5. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling to stay motivated or if you need help adjusting your routine, don't be afraid to ask for help. Talk to a personal trainer, join a fitness class, or simply reach out to a friend or family member who's into fitness. Remember, you got this. Believe in yourself, stay positive, and keep pushing towards your goals. Section 10. Mistakes to avoid. Train smarter. All right, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when adjusting their workout routines. 1. Changing things up too often. While variety is important, changing your routine too often can prevent your body from adapting and seeing results. Aim to stick with a routine for at least 4 to 6 weeks before making significant changes. 2. Neglecting proper form. Proper form is crucial for preventing injuries and ensuring that you're targeting the right muscles. If you're not sure how to do an exercise correctly, ask a personal trainer for help. 3. Not listening to your body. Your body knows best. If you're feeling pain, stop and rest. Don't push yourself too hard too soon. 4. Comparing yourself to others. Everyone is different and progresses at their own pace. Focus on your own journey and don't compare yourself to others. 5. Not enjoying the process. Working out shouldn't feel like a chore. If you're not enjoying your workouts, you're less likely to stick with them. Find activities you enjoy and make fitness a part of your lifestyle. Remember, knowledge is power. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can avoid them and set yourself up for success. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the change, level up your fitness. So there you have it, folks. The key to maximizing your workouts and achieving your fitness goals is to embrace change. Don't be afraid to mix things up, challenge yourself, and step outside of your comfort zone. Remember, your body is capable of amazing things, but it needs to be challenged in order to grow. By adjusting your workout routine, you can break through plateaus, prevent boredom, and keep your body guessing. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, try something new, and unlock your full fitness potential.